learn how to greet Christmas wishes in Nepali. Let's start with the word Shubha Kamana. Shubha Kamana. I will break down first. Shubha means auspicious. Kamana means greetings. Okay? So, Shubha Kamana means auspicious greeting. Or best wish you say, or best wishes you say, So, Shubha Kamana. Auspicious greeting. Auspicious wishes. Now, Christmas ko Shubha Kamana. Greetings of Christmas. Auspicious wishes of Christmas. Okay? Christmas ko Shubha Kamana. Christmas ko Shubha Kamana. Christmas ko Shubha Kamana cha. Cha is like is. Like there is, Hey, greetings of Christmas. That's what you're saying. Christmas ko Shubha Kamana cha. And you can be little like Nepali guy, like a guy or girl. You can become like a native. They will add cha. Hey, Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Cha hai. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Anil, Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Sangeeta, Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Hai. At the end you will add hai. Hey Florence, Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Christina, Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. Greetings of Christmas. Hey, greetings of Christmas. All right. Not like, I mean, translating English is very, very poor. This is not really giving that same feeling. Like, chai, like it's like you're trying to be cool and you're trying to be great also, you're trying to be like good, auspicious and cool same time. That's like chai. that's a gesture I'm not able to translate. You have to learn through my body language. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai. And that's what you will say, right? Sometimes you might not be high like me. Sometimes you might be like gentle and you want to be, hello friend, greetings of Christmas, wishes of Christmas. And in that way, if you want to say, Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathi. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathi. Hai, you can remove, but it's a spice, you put it. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathi. Hey friend, Christmas wishes to you. And if there are many friends, Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathiharu. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathiharu. Cha hai sathiharu. Sathi means friend. Sathiharu means friends, plural. Plural of friend, okay? Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathiharu. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathiharu. Now there are a lot of friends and you're just entering into the bar. Greetings of Christmas, boys! In that way. Greetings of Christmas, friends! Hey mates! Greetings of Christmas! In that way. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathiharu. Like, I'm the cool dude on the house, just entering. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha hai sathiharu. Okay? Now, sometimes we can also become a little more formal and include family also, which is very common in Nepal. We always, whenever we greet, we always include family members also. Like that's kind of culture, right? So, tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko shubhkamana cha. Tapai ra and tapaiko of you, that means your, parivarlai to your family, to you and to your family. Tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko shubhkamna cha. Christmas ko shubhkamna cha. Now it is very formal, so we'll remove the hai part, Hai. You don't do that. Now be very formal and gentle. Try to be gentle sometime, Anil. Tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko shubhkamna cha. Now you can use the name. Let's say, for example, you're saying John. John ji, tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko shubhkamna cha. And you have to do namaste. Okay? This is like your little now formal version. Okay? Similarly, Christina. Christina ji, tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko shubhkamna cha. Tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko shubhkamna cha. Now, sometimes people might add dherai dherai. Dherai dherai means a lot, right? Tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko dherai dherai shubhkamna cha. Dherai dherai means a lot, a lot. Good people, kind-hearted. So, tapai ra tapaiko parivarlai Christmas ko dherai dherai shubhkamna cha. And they will say like this only, dherai dherai. You can say धेरै धेरै. Don't read it like धेरै धेरै. That is a wrong linguistically crime. तपाईँ र तपाईँको परिवारलाई क्रिसमसको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना छ. तपाईँ र तपाईँको परिवारलाई क्रिसमसको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना छ. I think that's it. That would be more than enough for you to greet someone in Nepali.